I was so hopeless, like, with everything. It's just like, oh yeah, I would never get married, never do this, never do that. It's like, but I'm okay with being that cool auntie that just makes big bucks and drinks wine. Like, I was already at that point.
Do you ever worry or overthink about what you should say in a conversation, how to take a conversation deeper from and breaking away from small talk and superficial stuff? I want you to watch this video, and it's a video of an unscripted conversation that I had with my sister 1 week before her wedding. Now, the conversation starts off a little superficial, where we're talking about the logistics of the wedding. Now, there's a certain point in this video that I want you to look out for, where the conversation takes a turn, where we get into a certain topic where I end up learning something that I never knew about her. The conversation ends on a really good lesson that I honestly needed to know at a certain point in my life, and I honestly think that you would also benefit from this conversation as well. So, again, no scripts. Here's that video.
Any magnet piece.
Okay.
It's like, oh yeah, Neil proposed down there.
Yeah, you want to go over there? Oh, just relive the memories.
I remember because me and Danielle walked this way, and I was literally like, oh yeah, they're gonna do their picture. So I brought the camera, and I was like, this is a nice place for them to take pictures.
Yeah.
So I'm like test shooting everywhere, and Danielle, like, now I think about it, Danielle's kind of like, why is Hannah taking so long? Like, come on, let's
So
go.
did he come out from
back there?
Back,
those trees.
yeah.
Back there. He came from
like
back
over
there.
here?
Oh, like to set up the camera.
Yeah.
And I was just like, she's like, oh, can you move more? I was like, oh, I think I was over there in this path. Because I was just like this. I think I was like right here. And I was just like, so I heard something in the back, and I was just like, I'm over here like that. And I remember I was just like, oh, that's kind of embarrassing. And I look back, I'm like, oh my gosh. And
he's already there.
It was funny though. It's like he was walking, he was like this already, like. So I was like,
What?
But you know what's so funny though?
What?
You see where that red car is over there?
Yeah.
That's where he was parked.
Come on, man.
The thing was, I was like, oh yeah, he's not here. So many people have that same car now.
Yeah, so you still
So
suspected nothing. Did he come out from like the trees right here? Man, that is some great lighting right here. The trees peeking through the sun peeking through the trees. The sun peeking through the sun.
the trees peeking through the sun. He was like that. But he was wearing a brown jacket, so I guess it kind of
he was camouflaged.
I couldn't tell. Yeah.
Reliving this moment.
Welcome to the engagement spot.
Yeah, I was about to ask, how does it feel just reliving the moment being here?
It's just like,
It's
pretty nice when it's sunny. I haven't seen the sun in forever. Yeah, we took like a couple pictures from that tree.
Oh, okay.
I was like, dang.
It's like, little did you know, you're taking like test shots for your own engagement.
For my own photos.
For your own photos. How does it feel that all these people, the family, friends, coming from all different parts of the U.S. and different places, coming all to Washington, basically for you and Neil?
That's crazy. Because I'm just like, yeah, usually it's like we all go to like what's it called? We all go somewhere for someone else. It's
yeah.
Like, oh yeah, one here for wedding. Oh yeah, we're here for Wes's wedding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like, but then now it's like, oh yeah, they're all coming for you. It's like,
yeah, like how does that feel? It's like the reason why all these people are traveling is for you guys.
It's like
you're the reason why they're going out of their way.
I don't like being the center of attention, but I want you guys here.
Yeah.
Like me and Neil were joking. We're like, it's like you may kiss the bride. It's just like you pull a fan out so you guys can see. Like,
oh yeah, that's gonna be weird.
It's like you guys. I have to kiss this guy in front of you guys? That's crazy.
Yeah, that's... How does it feel being like less than a week out?
I've gotten that text like 4 or 5 times.
Really?
Like today.
Oh.
Aaliyah was the last one to text me that. Like even yesterday, I got that. So many people at church said that. Like people who know about it or who are going. They're like, how does it feel? And I'm like,
oh.
Honestly, it still hasn't hit. It hasn't hit yet.
Okay. That's my question to you. What are you actually feeling right now? Like,
Honestly, I'm just chilling. I'm just like, if I'm not thinking about, because like I think for me, because there's so much wedding planning that I'm doing by myself, like I don't have a coordinator, I don't have anything, so it's kind of just like all I'm thinking about is like making sure that everyone knows what they're doing and everyone's okay with what they're doing.
All your T's are crossed, all the I's are dotted.
I don't know, I'm not nervous. I feel like probably Friday I might be nervous.
I think that's surprising because like
But I'm just
like you're the one who's planning it, like you said.
I don't know.
You're planning it and you're the bride.
But then I'm not really like nervous. I think I'm more stressed than nervous.
Yeah.
Because I'm not like, oh my gosh, wait, I'm getting married. Oh my gosh. I'm more of just like, dang, I'm getting married. It's crazy.
Have you ever like sat down and thought about it though? Like I know
Yeah.
you have all the wedding stuff you think about and all of that stuff, but then have you ever sat down like, whoa, this is happening?
I'm actually getting married.
Yeah.
Hold on. No,
Like,
it's funny.
Does it feel like surreal at all, or
I was-
like you kind of like, oh wow, it hasn't hit yet, or?
I was just telling Neil this the other day. I was like, or like I like a lot of times when I think about it, and then I'm just like, moving here. I was like, I don't have a job. I don't have money. I don't have a love interest. Like I'm like, you know what? I'll just be that cool auntie. I'll be that cool auntie for everyone.
You're thinking that you're gonna be like, you know what? I'm okay with not getting married.
No,
Yeah, it's fine.
I was already at
I'm
that
gonna
point.
like I'm gonna be celibate. It's fine. Which is not a bad thing.
I was
but-
here at like 20, and I was like, I don't like anyone. There's no one around me that I want to be with, or like all these other guys that I see. I'm just like, eh. So I think I had like, you know, not like a midlife crisis, but I was kind of just like, what the heck am I doing?
It's like, what am I gonna do?
Like, I'm not in school anymore. I have a job, but I don't like my job. So then that's why when we moved here, I was like, I'm gonna find a job. I'm getting bored of staying home.
Yeah.
But then what sucked though, during the time I was staying home all the time, that's when I started doing coffee.
Mm-hmm.
So like during the time I wasn't working, I had like the internship, I started that sticker business, and then I started doing the coffee stuff. So I was like, man, I had no job, but I was able to come up with all these ideas. I don't want a job anymore.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, I was like, man, I'm never gonna get married because, you know, like, there's like, you know, the standards of people too. It's just like, oh yeah, I want a boss babe, you know?
You want this, and this, and this.
Yeah,
I
so
mean,
it's kind of just like, I don't know, like, real world men or like, you know, normal guys out there is like, they give me the ick. So I was like, oh, I don't want to end up with any of these guys.
I could see that.
So I was like, I don't mind being that single auntie for the rest of my life, you know?
Yeah.
Like, y'all can go be with someone, but I'm okay with, you know, being that cool auntie that just makes big bucks and drinks wine. Like, I was already at that point. I was just like, I'm like, what, 21? I was thinking that. I was like, maybe I can be like that, honestly. Just pick up different jobs everywhere and then do that.
Yeah.
So that was something I was thinking at that time. And then, I told you, right? I never noticed Neil until, like, December.
Which was how many months?
Like 3 months after we already were going to the church.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But not noticed him in the way of like, oh wait, this guy's good looking. Noticed him in being the first thing that I asked him was, oh, is your first time here?
Oh, yikes.
And he's like, oh no, I've been going here for a while. But I didn't know how long he was going there until like when we started doing the website. I think that was like February or March. So we became friends like probably the beginning of January.
Oh.
So I finally knew who he was by December.
Mm-hmm.
But I never like actually had a conversation with him until like January.
Mm-hmm.
And then we became friends in January. And then I was like, see, I like this guy. He's cool because he doesn't like me.
Mm-hmm.
Because like at that time, that was a time where like I was the newest girl at the church. So everyone's like, whoa,
everyone
whoa,
is,
you know.
Yeah.
So it's just like, whoa, this new girl. So then, you know, for me, I'm like, ugh, I don't want to talk to anyone.
Yeah.
But then you don't know them until you talk to them. So like Neil, for example, I had no intention of liking him, and I had no intention of being with him. But then it just kind of grew over time because we got to know each other, and I was like, oh, I actually kind of like how this guy is, you know. And then too, it was like Neil Neil wasn't going in as an intention of liking me too, which like he actually had no intention of liking me, but it just happened all of a sudden. But then it's just like, yeah, like I knew he didn't like me, and I knew that it was gonna be like chill if he didn't, like, you know, I can actually, yeah, it just happened over time. Because I think if I kind of knew that he was trying, because let's say like dating apps, for example, they're going on there just to get a date right away. I don't want it like that. I want it like a naturally grown. Like, you know, it's not like, oh yeah, I'm talking to you with the intentions of being with you already. Yeah. It's kind of more like, I wanna get to know you naturally without feelings involved, so I can actually get to know you as a person before you're trying to put your best foot forward. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's kind of like, that's what I liked about Neil. But at the same time, we didn't have any intention of liking each other to begin with. Yeah. It just happened because we hung out with each other so often. Yeah. So I was like, yeah, I had no clue I was gonna end up with Neil. That's why I was like, it's so weird, because I'm like, 3 years ago, I was just like chilling. I was like, yeah, I could work here. I can do this job.
I could be single for the rest of my life.
And then all of a sudden, it's like, boom. It's like,
what?
3 years later, I'm just like, I'm getting married to this guy I just built a website with. What the heck? Did I tell you how we started talking, right?
No. I thought it was just the website.
The reason why we started, like, texting each other, like, as friends already, or, like, you know, just conversating, was because I posted something on my notes, because that's when I first started doing coffee. I posted on my notes, what kind of coffee should I, like, what kind of coffee flavor or, like, drink should I try out? And he said Kopi Luwak, which is poop coffee. So it's like this. Yeah. So then that's where we started talking about the coffee stuff. And then that's where, from there, that we talked almost every day from then. And that's like January, I think. So we talked almost every day from January 3 years ago. So it's like, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys.
Yeah.
Who knew that cat poop was gonna bring us to this moment?
It's like you have cat poop to thank.
Thanks, cat poop. It's crazy though, like how everything's been falling in place though. Yeah. Like, you like barista. I really wanted to be a barista, but I've been trying to get that job for like years. Could not get it, and all of a sudden I got it right before I'm getting married, and then I get to do an event there for free, and that's where I wanted to do it. For free?
To rent it out?
She's like, oh yeah, you work here, you're part of the team, so yeah, just make sure everything's in order for the next shift. And I was like, look at that, that's crazy. This is crazy. That, and then like how we got the wedding venue we wanted right when we, like, remember how I was telling you, oh yeah, we're just gonna check out this place, but I'm like, I really want them. We're like, yeah, it's only gonna be 50 people. Now it's 100, but at least 100 people are people we really wanted there too. Yeah. So it's like officiating, and then my friend from the East Coast is flying in, and then family from Hawaii, New Jersey. Yeah. All of them are flying in, and is flying in. The are here. Yeah. So it's like, dang, everyone I grew up with is here.
Able to come to the
And then
wedding.
My best friends right now are all gonna be there. I'm like, dang, that's crazy. Like, it's literally like my past, present, and future is all like all coming to the wedding, and I'm like,
that's one way to look at it now.
I'm like,
yeah,
it's like a big family reunion. It's crazy. I'm glad, like, all the people I have around me, I actually have a lot of people around me. Like, Josh and Danielle help with the proposal. I have all of my best friends and close friends from church that's all helping me, like, set up everything, help me plan everything, coordinating everything on the actual wedding. Honestly, the people around us is actually pretty cool people. Because I'm like, look, Uncle Joe's...
And the fact that you're going to have all of them
in the same place.
At your wedding, that's
and it's
pretty
like all
profound.
the people that I wanted there too. It's not just like, but like, you know, like, look at that. We got Auntie took care of me from when I was young. Auntie took care of me when I was young. And then you got like our close cousin, like my cousin, my twin. And then you got like my best friend from college flying in. Yeah. And then
by next Sunday,
by next Sunday,
you're gonna be married.
By this time Sunday, I'm gonna be in California.
You're gonna have a service.
Redwood forest, just chilling.
You're gonna be married. Can you think about it? You're gonna be married by next Sunday.
That's crazy. Like, it's still not hitting.
No, you see, right?
I'm just kind of like
usually like things like that you think about it, it's like, huh, that's cool. But then, like,
time actually there,
it's just like, whoa.
I think,
or like maybe I'm gonna predict that even during the whole wedding, the whole day and stuff, that you're just still gonna be like, it still hasn't hit.
I feel like I'm gonna wake up the next morning and be like, dang, he's next to me? That's crazy.
Yeah.
I feel like that's when it's gonna actually hit. Because, like, I feel like it's gonna hit more on Thursday, when we do, like, that potluck dinner. But then I'm thinking, like, oh, yeah, on Thursday, like, we're gonna have Aaliyah there. Like, we're gonna have, like, all my worlds combined at one place.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's when it's gonna hit. Because it's like...
What is it? Was it?
That's all my worlds.
Yeah.
All my worlds are just all pushed
They're
into
all
one
colliding.
area. Well, which is nice, though, and what I noticed, though, about, like, all the people that we're inviting, it's like I can be the same Hannah around all of them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because, like, before, it's like, oh, yeah, when I'm in college, I have to have this certain persona so I can be liked by all those people.
Mm-hmm.
But then, like, in front of family, it's like, oh, yeah, you have to act... Like, I can act as
Mm-hmm.
outrageous as I want. But can I act that outrageous around these people? You know?
Yeah.
But then now I'm like, dang. Everyone who's gonna be there all seen that side of me. So I'm like... I don't know, like, attitude-wise, because, you know, sometimes, like, when you're around certain people, it's like, you can be like, oh, yeah, what's up? Or, like, you kind of just, like, you can joke, just be like,
It's like,
why you being like that, you know? But then for other people, they're like,
It's
oh,
like-
I didn't even know Hannah could be like that, you know? Like,
that's crazy. Well, this is filmed pre-wedding. If you were to say something to your past self, let's just do past self and your future self, what would you say?
past self, it's like, I was so hopeless, like, with everything. It's just like,
Mhm.
oh, yeah, I would never get married, never do this, never do that. It's like, man, give yourself some grace, man.
It's like, chill out.
Chill out. It
Everything's
wasn't
gonna
that
be okay.
serious. It literally wasn't that serious. Why are we thinking like that, man? I think you have to open your Bible, man.
Chill out.
Oh, I had to tell you that.
What?
That was one thing that happened. There, like, when I was meeting with Neil doing the website, I was telling him, like, oh my goodness, my life is falling apart. I feel like I'm just always, like, stressed. I'm always tired. And that one thing he said was, do your devotions every day until I see you again, and tell me how you feel after that.
Mhm.
That week after, I was just like, oh yeah, my life is falling. He was like, dang, that's awesome. Can I say? But I think from then, that's when I started liking him after that. I was like, dang, what happened? What happened?
Oh.
Yeah, anyway, yeah. Give yourself some grace and open your Bible. You're not gonna be single for your whole life, man. Oh, what I was thinking. It's like, you'll still be a cool auntie. Don't worry.
You still be the cool auntie.
You're actually a pretty good ninang right now, so you're a pretty cool auntie right now.
But you'll be a cool married auntie. Though.
You're a cool married auntie. Not gonna lie, you're doing pretty good, man. Please stay in the gym.
It's like, please.
We're not trying to have a mom bod and dad bod.
On part 2 of this video, I'm going to be going on a deep dive where I break down the conversation, what was I thinking, the different things that I did, the certain takeaways that you could take from it, that you could copy, and also the certain mistakes that I made in the conversation that you could learn from. So stay tuned for that video. That video is going to be out in a little bit.